Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Sitting down to watch something and suddenly realizing the Logic TV remote is no longer responding can be pretty frustrating, especially when the TV itself seems perfectly fine. Sometimes the buttons stop reacting completely, while other times only certain controls work and the rest feel unresponsive. A situation like this can happen because of battery issues, signal interruptions, temporary connection problems, or something small blocking communication between the remote and TV. Before thinking you need a replacement, there are a few simple things worth checking because many remote problems can improve after quick adjustments. Let's go through several easy steps that may help get your Logic TV remote working again. Try these. Step 1. Replace the batteries inside the Logic TV remote if button presses are no longer responding properly. Step 2. Point the Logic TV remote directly toward the TV and remove anything blocking the signal path. Step 3. Clean around the buttons on the Logic TV remote if they feel stuck or difficult to press. Step 4. Remove the batteries from the Logic TV remote for a short moment before placing them back. Step 5. Turn the TV off and back on while testing the Logic TV remote again afterward. Step 6. Press several buttons on the Logic TV remote and confirm the TV starts responding normally again.